Hey, hello, welcome everyone to Smarta Programmers. So here in this video we are gonna creating a Python script which will download the data from YouTube in audio format as well as in video format in just few minutes. A feature is also there which will directly download audio or video using its link. Or we can also search title of videos which will give links of all related videos to that title using web scraping technique. So our main goals are here. Number 1. Creating a web scraping function. Number 2. Creating a video downloader function. Number 3. Creating an audio downloader function. Number 4. Adding a final code so that all functions will run again and again. So let's just create a new file in Visual Studio Code and save it with name 𝖂𝖊𝖇𝕊𝖚. Now import few modules. Import requests. And from BS4 import beautiful soup. Now create a main function and call it. Create a web scraper function. Create IP as a new variable in main function with Justin Bieber as value. Now call web scraper function with passing IP as a parameter. And let's run to check it's working or not. Let's go to the Chrome and search Justin Bieber on YouTube. Here in this link you can see there is a plus sign between Justin and Bieber. So let's assign IP query as IP query.replace blank space with plus sign, and let's run to check it's working or not. Now just cut and paste the link except Justin Bieber in it, and append it with IP query, and store its value to new variable web link. And let's run to check it's working or not. Now we have to get the webpage data of our web link like this. For that add few lines. Res equals to requests.getWebLink. src that is source equals to res.content. And soup equals to beautiful soup with source in LXML. Now just print value of soup. So here we can access the webpage data of our web link. Now open Chrome, after inspecting the label of videos. Here, we can see the label of video and link of video is in body of AE. So let's find all such bodies of AE and print them with a for loop. So we can see that it's displaying all bodies of AE. Now we have to remove all unnecessary stuff from this. Here we can see the bodies of AE which we want contains /watch equal. So let's create a code. If this /watch equal is an item, then only it will print item. So here we can see it's just showing bodies of AE which contains /watch equal init. Now we have to get title from bodies of AE. So let's add item.getTitle and run it. Here we can see it's displaying none value in some cases. So let's add. If item.getTitle is not equal to none, then print item.getTitle. Now it's displaying all labels of videos properly. Let's create empty list of titles and URLs. Now we also wants to print link of YouTube video. So let's print item href. After running it's displaying label with link. But the problem is that it's just displaying href links starting from /watch equal. So from this YouTube video link we will add remaining part of link to our code. After running our code, we can see that it's displaying both label and URL of video properly. Now, let's append item.getTitle to our list of titles. And also append URL of title to our list of URLs.
Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo, you gotta take it slow. You can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're trying to make it.
Now add a loop for C in range 0 to length of titles -1. Print titles of C and print URLs of C.
Will you fight back? Yeah. Will you fucking fight? Will you fucking fight back? Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take
Now in some cases, we can see it's not displaying anything. This happened when our code does not create connection with our web link. For removing this problem we will add, if length of titles is 0, call web scraper with IP query. Now in case if our code is unable to create connection with our web link, then it will run the function again and again.
There's no way that you make it. Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? Are you just gonna take that? Make take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Or you just
𝖂𝖊𝖇 scraper function is ready to work now. Let's add it in comments section. Create a video downloader function. Now, let's create a variable of name link. Let's assign the link of this YouTube video to our variable of name link, and pass it to video downloader function and call it. Let's run to check it's working or not. Now, it's time to build video downloader function. Let's import PyTube. And from PyTube import YouTube. Now add few code in our function. YT equal to pytube.youtube with passing IP URL. Stream equal to yt.streams.first. And stream.download. Now create a variable of name path for downloading our video to a specific folder. Pass path variable to stream.download. Now let's run to check our code is working or not. So here, we can see our video is downloading. So here, we can see we have downloaded video properly. Now our video downloader function is ready. Let's create audio downloader function. Add video downloader function to comments section. Now it's time to create audio downloader function. Add headers in audio downloader function, which will be in the description of video. Now import 𝔬𝖆𝐹𝑦 module. Add few lines of code to try block. Result equals to 𝔬𝖆𝐹𝑦.new IP URL, headers. Best quality audio equals to results.get best audio. And best quality audio.download. Now add print statement to accept block. Call audio downloader function from main function. Here, we can see our audio file is downloaded in default directory. So let's add path to audio downloader function, same as we had added to video downloader function. Now we can see our audio file is downloaded properly to provided path. Let's add some things to our functions. Let's change our URL in main function to check our script is working or not. So here we go, our functions are working properly. And we have downloaded data in audio format as well as in video format. Now it's time to modify our main function. For that we will work in Python default IDLE.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along.
Let's remove this all and create flag variable which is equals to 1 in main function. And add a loop that is while flag is equal to 1.
To love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Print number 1 new search.
Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed.
Print number 2 downloading data using URL.
And I hope you let me in, yeah.
And print number 3 exit. After running here, we can see that it's working in infinite loop which we want. Let's create a variable fcase equals to int input.
If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number 1, working hella hard until I get just what I want.
Print fcase and run to check.
Fatal like a gun, shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I want, always do it on my own.
So here it's working fine and taking input again and again.
It's to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna
Let's add if fcase equals to 1.
It's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Then IP equals to input in bracket ask what you wanna search.
𝖂𝖊𝖇-𝕊𝖚, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me,
After that, call web scraper function which we had created, and pass the input to it. Else if f case equals to 2. Create variable IP link equals to input in bracket enter URL. And print IP link. Else if f case equals to 3. Change value of flag to 0 so that our script will stop. Else, print invalid input. Now we can see our script is working fine. We have to check now if www.youtube.com/𝖂𝖊𝖇 is in link URL. Then only our script will download data. So let's add if www.youtube.com/𝖂𝖊𝖇 in IP link. Then print number 1 audio format. And print number 2 video format. S case equals to int input and ask in which format you wanna download. After that, let's add if S case is equals to 1. Then call audio downloader function with passing IP link as a parameter. Else if S case equals to 2. Then call video downloader function with passing IP link as a parameter. Else print invalid input. And add print statement for invalid input link. Now open code in Visual Studio Code. After checking all the things, finally add try and accept blocks for main function. Finally run our script and try to download something. It's working fine.